Welcome back, everybody. We're back in the van and it's an absolutely miserable day. And today we're going to have a little bit of fun, a video with a little bit of difference. Today we are going to put this sucker, which is the DJI Mic 2, onto this bad boy. What possibly could go wrong? I mean, what's great is when you're looking through social media, especially on all the FPV drone pages, the custom builds, and you hear that awesome propeller sound. We don't get that on the DJI Avata 2 for obvious reasons. It doesn't have a mic. It's not, unless you've got obviously like a Gopro or an action camera mounted to the drone, you don't get the sound. So let's put the Mic 2 to the test. What possibly could go wrong? We could lose the mic, we could lose the drone, we could lose both. Who knows? And obviously, what better way to see what this can do? It's a really windy day, so we're going to put the drone to the test as well. Just got a quick break in the rain, so hopefully we can get the drone up. We're at a new location today, so without further ado, guys, let's get the drone up in the sky and see what sound we can capture. This, you never know, it might be a complete disaster, and it might just be wind, and more wind. You know how I feel when it comes to the wind and this drone, so let's see how they both handle. Let's go. Right, guys, so my thinking is we attach that exactly where it is. I've taken the magnet that's off on there to one of these big black cable tie from the range, and hopefully it stays on there. As you can see, there's a little clip underneath, so my thinking is get the cable tie well under there, and hopefully it's nice and secure. A little windsock, hopefully that does well. If you can see that, this drone has taken a beating and I love it. Wow, look at that. That goes on there pretty good. You can see that just there's a little groove under there that fits in nicely. A little bit risky, but I'm thinking of maybe just putting one more cable tie on just to be on the safe side, so I don't want to lose either. Let's see. Well, guys, hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully the audio syncs up nicely. I pressed the record button for the drone and the mic at exactly the same time. So let's get this up in the sky. Well guys, it is a little bit too windy to fly the drone. I got it up for probably about 6 minutes, but way too windy. I am looking forward to getting the drone home and listening to the audio. I'm going to post it either way. It could just be, you know, 4 to 5 minutes of wind noise. It'd be quite interesting to hear what the Avata 2 is like in conditions like this. So be sure to drop a comment down below, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we will see you at the next video.